Hi family, welcome back again to the channel. If this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome, and to all my returning family, thank you so much. So guys, today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys how to make an amazing hair growth coffee conditioning mask. This mask is so amazing. You can use it as a deep conditioner or a mask to treat your hair. We all know that the caffeine in coffee helps to stimulate hair growth follicles, and also coffee helps improve blood circulation. It helps to transfer nutrient to the hair root. As a result, your hair grow faster and thicker. Guys, coffee is an amazing ingredient when it comes to growing the hair, thickening the hair, smoothing the hair, and also going back your hair roots. You want to make your hair smooth and more manageable, then this mask is for you guys. So I'm so excited to be sharing this mask with you guys. So we are going to be needing coffee and shea butter. Shea butter helps to soften the hair, repair damage, nourish the hair, and also make your hair silky and shiny. We need shea butter. So guys, all right, I'm going to be adding in my already made DIY hair growth butter that I have at home. The hair growth butter is amazing. It has a lot of ingredients in it already, so this is optional. So I'm going to be adding in a tablespoon of that, and you can just use only the shea butter. Okay, I just decided to add in my hair butter that I have already at home. So then I will go ahead to add in my oil mixture. I will be leaving that oil in the link in the description box. Go ahead to add any oil of your choice just to make things smoothly. Okay, so guys, I will then go ahead to add in my 2 tablespoons of coffee. So this coffee, like I said, is an instant coffee. You want to use instant coffee so that everything will be smooth and there will not be any residue on your hair. So after mixing everything, go ahead to put it in the fridge for it to solidify, and go ahead to whip it. After whipping it, you are going to realize that this is going to double in size and also give you a fluffy consistency. So this is so amazing. This mask is going to leave your hair super smooth, shiny, and you're going to find out that your hair will be very, very soft, and also it is going to define your hair as well. So I'm going to show you what my hair looks like after applying the mask. Like, I love this mask. It makes my hair super soft. So you can apply this mask before washing your hair or after washing your hair. So a little goes a long way with this mask, and you can be able to store your mask in the fridge, and whenever you want to use it, just bring it out. Even if you don't want to use it the same day you make it, go ahead to store it in the fridge. It is going to solidify, and bring it out and use it whenever you want to use it, because there is no water in it. It's going to last well for you. So a little goes a long way. Whenever you are not able to finish it, just put it in the fridge, and yeah, you are good to go. The shine is amazing, guys. My hair feels so soft. If you have a super dry, strong hair that you are not able to manage, like if you have a frizzy hair, I recommend this deep conditioner because it is absolutely amazing, guys. My hair feels so soft. If you want to apply to the ends of your hair, this is where the split ends normally occur. If your ends are healthy and not too dry, then the breakage will be less, guys, and you will be able to retain length. All right, I am done applying my creamy conditioner, guys. A little goes a long way. Just because I am showing you guys what it looks like, I went ahead to use a lot, guys. So right now I am going to cover my hair with my plastic bag and then wait for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before washing this off my hair. My hair feels so soft. Even after some days, my hair feels so well, soft and moisturized, guys. I was so amazed. Right now I'm going to be putting my hair in a protective hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here, or you have been watching this video, you have been watching us, you are not yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Just click on that red subscribe button and enjoy the video and be a part of the channel. Okay, subscribe for 1 week of good luck. Subscribe. And to all my returning family, I really appreciate you guys. Are amazing. Thank you so much for coming back to watch the videos, subscribing, liking and sharing the videos. I really appreciate, guys. So this is it. I hope you guys find the conditioner helpful and I hope you guys love it and go ahead to make yours. So don't forget, we are doing the 5 months hair growth challenge. 1 month is already gone. We are in the 4th month right now, and yeah, the remaining 4 months is just going to be all about protective hairstyle, putting our hair in a low manipulative hairstyle and leaving it alone, treating it and spraying it with our leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be bringing you guys with a lot of recipes and DIY treatment that you can use on your protective hairstyle to grow your hair out and also to retain length. Health over length, guys, but we are going to make sure to retain that length. Okay, guys, so this is my protective hairstyle. I hope I am looking beautiful. So I'm going to a baby dedication on Sunday, so I went ahead to do this beautiful hairstyle. So it is very, very simple, guys. So right now I'm going to be using my DIY oil mix, rosemary and peppermint oil. I'm going to be using it on my scalp. Like, it is always great to oil your scalp. Okay, it makes your scalp healthy and also it makes your hair grow faster, guys. So you can use any oil of your choice to moisturize your hair. So as you guys can see, my regimen is so simple, my hair routine is so simple. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said earlier, just go ahead to massage your scalp and put in your oil treatment. Your hair is going to flourish, your hair is going to grow, and your scalp is going to be healthy. A healthy scalp is a way to a healthy hair, guys. So thank you all so much, and I really appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I will catch you all on my next video, guys. Stay blessed and bye bye. Ooh, what can I do to get your love? End of today's video. If you really enjoyed this video, go ahead to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like and share this video. Subscribe for 1 week of good luck, guys. So thank you all so much and God bless you, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.